Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Friday, June 18. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT, and we're going to be looking at the chart of ES. This is S&P 500 E-mini future 60 minutes chart. We can see right here that we ended with 3 in the intermediate degree at 42.58. Since then, we have been selling off. The first leg of the decline can be labeled as a 5 ways down here, suggesting that we ended A, and then now looking for a 7 swing structure, ABC, ABC, double zigzag. And once this rally is completed, then we could see another push on the downside in the C leg, all right, to finish this with 4 as an ABC, and then from here then the index can start to rally higher again. So this is going to be in the key level 42.58. As long as we stay below here, we could see for the downside. Now indices, not a significant reaction so far after the FOMC. I think the biggest impact right now is within the US dollar group and also commodities. That is the biggest impact after the risk event from earlier this week. All right, so indices might still be again the right side, obviously still on the upside. We continue to make new high, but the other group seems to be already starting to see some sort of pullback in a larger degree, like the US dollars, commodities, and so on. So indices can also start to follow the same path. And right now we are calling this again already in the wave 4. We ended the wave, the first leg over here as a 5 waves, and then now looking for a rally to fail and then turns lower again. Now looking at the larger degree, again this is 3 in the intermediate degree. Let's take a look at the daily chart here. So this is the 3 here, and the 1 and 2 is somewhere here. So we got this subdivision 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, with some sort of diagonal here. And we also have this ascending, still within the ascending trend line. So overall, still suggesting that we are not yet breaking any important channel, right? And therefore, currently the wave 4 here is going to be correcting the cycle from February low, right? From the February low. And if this is truly wave 4 and we will see another leg higher, then we should be looking for support somewhere in 23.6, 38.2. This is typical wave 4, which is 41.21, 40.33. That could potentially find support right there. But again, it is in the process right now in a larger degree correction, and sometimes you can get the degree a little bit wrong, and it could turns out to be a larger degree correction. For example, we could also end this cycle from here, from this low here, from either September or November. Now if that's the case, then we got 1, 2, and then ending 3 maybe here, and then do a bigger pullback before higher again, if that's the case, right? So a couple of different possibilities in terms of the degree that it has ended, but judging by the other group right now, it looks like we could have already started the larger degree correction in the indices, and therefore as long as we stay below that high from June 15 from earlier this week, we may be able to see for the downside. All right, so that's the update here for today. And for further updates, you can always check our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the YouTube video. I'll see you all again next week, and have a nice day to you all.